Hi guys, it's Fantom Fan 1993 again. Today I'm going to make a video on my Fantom Fury. It pretty much has all of the attachments. It has all the standard attachments along with the pet hair tool that I got off of eBay. Since I got it, which was in June of 2010, I've also found the accessory bag. I've always had the Fantom Fury story. I got this from my aunt when I was like 2. I have the owner's manual along with I have 2 copies of the owner's manual, and that's good because I'm going to save the other one for the next Fury that I will get. I also have the Fantom Fury how-to video, the Fantom Fury convenience kit, couple extra belts, and this is part of the capture kit that I got when I bought a bunch of Fantom Fury attachments. And I also have 2 Fantom extension hoses. And I replaced the HEPA filter right after I got it. I got it for $54 off of eBay, and I was the only bidder. I guess at that time not many people were really into Fantoms at the time, I guess, because at that time there weren't really many fan collectors, I don't think. But I'm going to put all this stuff away and then I'll do a video of it running. Oh, and something I forgot to mention. I'm going to look at my Cyclone XT soon to see what's wrong with it. And I do have part of the owner's manual, but Fantom Vacuum Fan, if you could, I'll give you my email through your page, and I'll let you know about that. So. Okay, and so far, this Fantom Fury is in pretty good shape. There's a couple of scuffs and scratches, but it's in decent shape. This one's from 2000, and I believe this one was only sold at like Walmart. I'm pretty sure this color was exclusive to Walmart. Also, the brush roll is a little bit worn, and I need to find a bumper for it because, as you guys can see, the front part of the bumper is missing. It's always been like that. So if anybody has a Fantom Fury bumper, let me know and I'll make an offer for it. So let me just plug this in. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to try to do this. See how this works. Let's see how this goes. Okay, it's going to be a little bit sideways, but it's the best I can do for now because I don't have a tripod. my Fantom Fury, and it's again, since I love it because it's a Fantom. And again, if any of you guys out there have a bumper for Fantom Fury and you don't want it, please let me know, because I would really like to find a bumper for this. So that's my Fantom Fury. And let's see if I have anything else I need to talk about today. Well, first of all, I guess I could show you what I picked up. Let's see. So, let me take it out just a minute. Okay. So, you guys can't really see it. Oh, I guess you can. That's what picked up. That's one day of dirt in my room, which is, that's pretty dirty, I think. So, let me put it back. And so far, this has been my best investment in a Fantom, because so far, it's been a really good vacuum, and I love it because, of course, it's a Fantom. Let's see. And again, I'll eventually do a video on my other Fantoms. So that's it for now, and I'll do a video on my Fantom Thunderbolt too. So this is FanFan 1993, sign off for now. Bye.